Welcome to the Ultimate Density Column Experiment. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating science of density in a very colorful and visual way. Using common household liquids, we'll layer honey, dish soap, water, and oil to see how they stack up based on their unique properties. First, we'll carefully pour in the honey. It's very viscous and dense, meaning it has more mass packed into its volume, so it will settle right at the very bottom. Next, gently add the dish soap. Notice how it creates a distinct new layer? Because it's less dense than the honey, it floats perfectly on top, refusing to mix. Next, for our second layer, carefully pour in some clear water. Go slowly to avoid mixing. You'll see it settle right on top of the soap, creating a distinct line. This happens because water is less dense. Finally, add a layer of yellow cooking oil. Watch as it floats perfectly on the water, creating our third and final layer. That's because oil is the least dense of all three liquids. Our colorful tower is now complete. Each liquid has a different density, causing it to sink or float above the others. Science in action: density determines the order.